Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 480 words at the speed of 80 words per minute. Let's start. 3 seconds. Start. It opined that the act contemplates only Bhumidhari or Assami right of an agricultural land in a village, subject of course to the right conferred upon them in terms of Section 8 of the Act. It was held that गैर मुमकिन पहर land is not a khudkast land. These appeals are directed against a common judgment and order dated 5/10/2001 passed by a division bench of the High Court of Delhi in RFA number 85 and 86 of 1987 under section 54 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 for sought the act whereby and whereunder the amount of compensation in respect of acquisition of land in village Masoodpur with China clay and without China clay was fixed at the rate of rupees 56 per square yard and rupees 30 per square yard respectively in relation to the notification dated 24/10/1961 and rupees 98 per square yard and rupees 72 per square yard with China clay and without China clay respectively in relation to the notification dated 23/1/1965. The basic fact of the matter is not in dispute. Two notifications dated 24/10/1961 and 23/1/1965 were issued for acquisition of the lands measuring 1105.04 bighas and 3895.07 bigha respectively situated in village Masoodpur for the public purpose of planned development of Delhi, that is for construction of Jawaharlal Nehru University. Declarations under Section 6 of the Act were issued on 6/8/1966 and 6/12/1966. Two awards being award numbers 2040 and 2225 were made on 2/12/1967 and 8/4/1969. The land acquisition collector for the purpose of computation of the amount of compensation payable for acquisition of said land divided the acquired lands in three categories, which blocks A, B, and C, and awarded compensation at the rate of rupees 1000 per bigha for block A, rupees 900 per bigha for block B, and rupees 600 per bigha for block C in respect of the acquisition of land under notification dated 24/10/1961 and rupees 1580 per bigha for block A, rupees 1175 per bigha for block B, and rupees 600 per bigha for block C in respect of the acquisition of land under notification dated 23/1/1965. The owners of the lands being aggrieved by and dissatisfied with the said awards filed applications seeking reference in terms of Section 18 of the Act pursuant whereto and in furtherance whereof the reference court by a judgment and award dated 28/7/1986 awarded compensation at the rate of rupees 18,000 per bigha for the lands covered by award number 2225 and rupees 12,000 per bigha for the lands covered by award number 2040. The reference court further granted compensation at the rate of rupees 10,000 per bigha for minor mineral, that is China clay, on or about 8/12/1986. The appellants herein preferred appeals in terms of Section 54. Stop over.